Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 11 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to start the second floor. Now we're going to continue working on this. So now, we added the door and we divided all necessary things that we needed to divide. Now, I'm gonna turn on the underlay again so that we could see what's below and we'll be able to get the stuff that we already added. So now, go to underlay. We're going to change this to level 1. Click apply. So now, things that we need to get is obviously the toilet. So select that, CS. Once you click on CS, we'll be able to add right here and then right here. And then here as well, we'll be able to add it right here. After that, press escape, select this one, the vanity, CS, spacebar to change orientation, and then let's add it right about here. Let's add it here as well. Add here, or we could add, let's add it just right here. I know the spacing is not that good, so what we could do is we could orient this one to here. So because of the spacing issue, I don't want any of that, so might as well just add it on the other side. And it's not a big issue. It's because once we open this, the only time that you're gonna have a problem is if this one is swinging on the other side, but this one is swinging here. So we still have a good way to have this one oriented. So now we have those. I want to add this one as well. So CS, this is the side table and then the light as well, CS, and we could add it right here in the middle. So now I'm still thinking what else can we add. I believe that's more than enough, and that's the only thing that we needed. We can now revert back to none for the underlay base, and then here, from here, we can go to insert and then load family, and then go to furniture, beds, and then let's add this bed. So press open and then CM. Instead of double, let's add queen on all of them. So here we could add, we could put this one facing on this side. The good thing about this is we will have a good windows. Also, if we put this one, we could have an entertainment system here. And then the good part is we could have some tables here and sofa. So I believe we could just do this instead, or this one facing right here. We could have like a 360 of windows right here, which will be good. The only problem is it's beside the washroom. I know you're gonna be able to hear everything, but from this standpoint, what I can do is I can still have the windows right here up to here, but we'll be able to have some space here for reading and those kind of stuff. So I believe this is a better fit. We could even have spacing right here for the windows. So I'm gonna grab this one and then MV to move, and then I'm gonna move it. Probably I'm gonna grab it from here, this corner to this corner, and then we're going to align it so that it fits, and then we're going to just copy this one, copy it from here, grab it there, and then place it right there. And then we're going to add windows around here. And then I'm planning to add a balcony right about here, and then a balcony right here for this one as well. So we can do that here. But first, let's keep on adding the queen size. So here I'm going to add facing right here. As you can see, we have a lot of space, so we could have some windows around here, and then we could have some seating here as well. For this one, we could have it onto this area, and then here as well. And then we could just select that CS, and I think it's easier to just keep on adding this one instead of just copying. We could place it on the area immediately. There we go. I think that's good. We could select this one, CS, put it in the middle. There we go. So I believe that that's good. With that, what we could do is we could add in some chair. So let's go to insert, load family, go back, seating, and probably one of the seating right here. Let's see if this one is good enough for the area. CM, I think it's too big. I believe the best way is just chairs. So let's look for a proper chair. Then again, we have the same chair earlier. So let's go to our properties and turn on underlay again. And then grab this one, CS. Let's put this one onto this side. There we go. So I wanted that one facing here. this one around facing right here. And then we can put something right here, like a shelving. And then here, we don't need to put anything. Let's put this one as well. I think that one is good. And probably this one as well. It's good. So I'm happy with that. And then remove the underlay. And then load family. Go back. And then we have some storage. And then we have shelvings. Let's put that shelving. CM. We can put a shelving right here. And then from here, we could have some small area for reading. I think that's good enough for that area. Same time, see, added here, CS, and then good enough space for reading as well. For this area, we could even add like a study table and chairs as well. But that's up to you, whatever you feel like adding. And then let's finish up the washroom. So load family, go back, and then go to plumbing, architecture, fixtures, and then shower. Load this. After you load, CM, just add this one for now, and then this one right here, because we're going to double check what's the spacing right here. So here I'm gonna select the dimension DI spacebar, and then just grab whatever's right there, right here. This one is the same, so we're just gonna put it right there for now. And then here, so everything's the same. So what we could do is remove this. So 1550, edit 1550, apply, okay. So instead of that, undo that, select that, 1550. So this one's changed, this one's changed, this one just change orientation, spacebar. Or let's just flip this one, or just rotate it manually. Select that, MV, and then grab it from the corner right there. Do some spacing so that everything is proper. And then let's not forget about the lines, detail line, just to represent right here. So thin line. So the top right here, add this. And then for the closet, select that one, CS. Let's add the right here. And then we have closet right here as well. You could just add and select this one. Around 700 is good enough. So we have some space right here. I think that's good enough for that space. If not, I think the best way is to put the closet on this side. We're gonna grab it so that we will have the bed facing right here. So I think that's the best way. So space bar, grab it, and then just pull it right there. We could just select this one, MV to move, and just drag it right there on the corner. Let's align those, AL, and then just grab this one, MV, and then just select this one, MV, and then grab it from the corner. And then here, interior wall, CS, grab it right there, and then close it off like that. And then here we could grab this one and then move it to have some spacing right here. This one should be 700 is good enough. And you can even pull this one back if you don't want too much space right here. But I think that's perfect enough. And then now let's go back to architecture, click on door. This will be sliding door. So I believe we already added those. So 1500 by 2000 is still small enough. So let's go 1800 by 2000. I think that's good enough. If you want, you could select that, edit. You should duplicate, but for now I'm just going to put this one 2500 just to span enough. And then this one's good enough, and this one's good as well. So now we have to add some detailed line as well, but this one is demolish. Let's add demolish right here, demolish right here, this side as well, and this side. And then for the walk-in closet, what we could do is we could have demolish, like that, and then here as well. And then from that demolish, we're going to have this thin line. So I'm gonna select that, CS, and we could just add you can do an offset if you want to, but that's up to you if you're gonna do that. I'm just eyeballing this to give it a sense that there's a closet right here. And then let's just move this one from the side because we still have some space. This one to around right here, and this one So we're just fixing stuff that we can see. This is representing the top, and then we're just centering the vanity. Right here. We can maximize this area by adding 2 vanities. Selecting that, copy, and then putting it right here, because this one is being used by both of these occupants. So 2 of this is good enough. I wish we have room for another one right here, but that's good enough for now. So we're gonna stop here and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.